So Fanuc for the first time are really happy to return Farnborough. Fanuc globally have got a push on aerospace. We want to make sure we're in the right areas within aerospace, supporting global manufacturing of aerospace components, airframe, engines, even down to the food that you see on your plate when you're travelling across the Atlantic. We want to make sure we've got our products in the right places for those manufacturing needs that the global aerospace market demands. You can imagine when you're sat on your long-haul aeroplane, there are maybe 2-3 different services of food, all delivered on trays, all look exactly the same, as you can imagine. That's an ideal opportunity for robotics to be able to create those trays of food. You've got the same product on every tray. You've got the same look, feel, because they want it to be the same. Yeah, so it just gives us an opportunity to actually sort of put robotics into those companies that are delivering those to the airlines. Fanuc are happy to invite some of our current integrators, our partners, who use our products within their offerings to the end customers, the manufacturers. So we have 3 partners on the booth. Loop Technology are bringing their fibre form system, which attaches to the end of a robot. Now what that does is it actually manipulates carbon fibre mat in the manufacture of composite structures, whether that's airframe, fuselage, wing sections. It does it in a way that is much better than a human can do, because it doesn't actually stretch the fibres in any way. It ensures that the fibres, when they're cut, remain in the same form, that the actual meshing of the fibre itself remains in the same form as when it was first produced. Stronger, lighter structure at the end of the day. TPR, another partner of ours, have brought a intelligent drill that uses AI to ensure that you get a high quality drilled hole for every hole that you drill in your airframe, in your aircraft. Using the high accuracy robot that Fanuc have, this provides a real good platform for the future of manufacturing aircraft. It gives you very accurate locations for holes, very quick cycle time, around about 30 seconds per hole. Again, when you've got thousands of holes drilled in an aircraft, the quicker you can do them, the quicker you can build your aircraft. So a really, really good solution. The third integrator we have on our booth is a company called Scientech, who we've actually probably featured before for MTD CNC. They provide laser processing systems for all sorts of different industries, aerospace, nuclear, automotive. What they've brought to us on the booth here is their smaller flex lathe system, which uses a Fanuc M20 robot, which is a very high accuracy path following robot for laser cutting, laser welding, and it's something that the aerospace industry, in the small batches they can sometimes produce, could really utilise. The last demo we've got on the booth is something that we've actually pulled together by Fanuc in Coventry ourselves, and that shows our robo drill machine with a CRX collaborative robot. The reason we pulled that together is because within the industry there is a buzzword around cobots, and for us it's a good way of showing the range and the functionality of that cobot solution we've brought to market. It also gives us a really good opportunity to talk about the safety that must be addressed when using cobots within a machine loading application. And alongside, say, all of that, we've got some really intelligent functions that we're trying to demonstrate on the CNC and the cobot itself that makes it a lot easier to integrate going forward with those future customers that want to actually adopt automation. What makes Fanuc a fantastic platform, a foundation for those manufacturers looking to sort of automate in the future, is that we bring different technologies and we bring partners with us along that journey to ensure that the end result, what the customer actually gets for their production in the future, is the best product knowledge, the best support, the best practice they can possibly purchase from a single supplier. We put those partnerships in place for a reason. We want to actually make sure customers draw on those partnerships for the success of UK manufacturing.